assembly of the box went just fine, but the holes in my steel are not tapped, so I'm going to have to tap them. Here we go, tapping and threading. Okay, threading went well, fits perfect. All right, we tapped this other side as well. Things are going good. Now I'm threading these knobs in to hold it in place. It all went pretty well, but I don't like the fact that there's a gap under here. This hole right here, I believe, should be drilled a little higher to where this will actually sit flatter on the ground. I mean, sorry, on the floor of the truck. But other than that, went pretty well. Now I'll shut the seat, lower it. There we go. And I should have said this at the beginning. This is a 2021 Ford F250.